How about diabetes and eye health? How does it affect eye health?
Oh, it's a major problem. A lot of people go blind because of diabetes. They may have cataracts. As you know, with diabetes, the whole body shuts down.
Mm-hmm.
And so cataracts and blindness are terrible constituents. I have a whole chapter in my book on
Mm-hmm.
how people can take care of their eyes. There's also a chapter on how to take care of their feet and their
Mm.
kidneys. I think it's very useful information because diabetics often neglect taking care of their eyes with nutrients. You have to supply the eyes with sufficient nutrients. Vitamin C, for example, bioflavonoids. These are all very important in keeping the eyes healthy. And as I say, blindness is a major problem with diabetics.
And why is that?
Well, they're not getting enough nutrients.
Mm-hmm.
Say vitamin C is very important.
Mm-hmm.
And so the eyes obviously develop cataracts and other form of macular degeneration.
I was going to ask about that, macular
Yes.
degeneration. Yeah.
Well, any of those eye problems obviously impact on eyesight. And this, unfortunately, is a problem for many diabetics.
So vitamin C is one of the nutrients that they can
Vitamin
take?
C is fantastic.
What else do you recommend?
Alpha-lipoic acid is a wonderful nutrient. It's the #1 nutrient for treating diabetes in Germany.
Okay.
And not many people know about it. It's a vitamin-like substance.
Is it an antioxidant?
Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm.
Again, it strengthens the capillaries in the eyes and that sort of thing. And it's a wonderful supplement. Dr. Bert Bergson is an authority on diabetes. He operates a holistic clinic in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and he recommends alpha-lipoic acid for diabetes. As he has said, it's the #1 treatment for diabetes in Germany.
Well, that's good to know. Thank you,
Yes,
Frank.
yes.